Hey everybody, it's Jimmy from the DIY and Digital, and I've got a quick preview of what's coming up this week and next week on my channel, plus a quick tip for you guys. So here's what's coming up this week on my channel. This week we have our February Arduino tutorial where we're going to be building an Arduino DC train controller. You've seen me build the DCC++ base station. Now we're going to be building a DC train controller based off Arduino. It's some very, very simple code, and it's a lot of fun when you get it done. That's what's coming up this week. Then next week we have our February town video where I'm actually going to be showing you guys my 3D printer. Over the holidays I picked up a 3D printer at a good price, and I've been experimenting with it a lot, and now I'm going to show you how I've used it to build my first 3D printed building for my town. So that's what's coming up next week on my channel. My quick tip for this week is actually something that is not so quick, and that is to have patience with model railroading. Patience is key to pretty much everything in model railroading, especially when you're building things. When in doubt, leave something overnight, especially with glue or paint or letting something set. A lot of these materials are not designed to be worked with even hours after it, so if you're not quite sure if it's going to work out right, leave it overnight. If you haven't already, go ahead and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and hit that bell icon so that you don't miss any updates and quick tips like this video. Until next time, I'm Jimmy from the DIY and Digital. Happy railroading.